Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Because you guys requested to see me put on some molding on the rear lip, I'm gonna go ahead and do that today for you guys. I did a post and I kind of asked you guys like what you guys want to see on the car. I listed a couple things. I'll post it up on the screen for you. But I guess you guys want to see the molding stuff. So it is kind of bunched up over here and I don't really like how that looks. And excuse the dirt, guys. It rained here the past couple days, but you see how it's bunching up here? I can't stand that. It drives me up the wall. So I'm gonna center out the car so we can get it jacked up and take off that rear lip, and I'm gonna show you guys how to put that molding on. It is a hot day out here today, so I might actually have to do it indoors because yeah, this heat, it's not it. So I got the car jacked up. I just took the wheels off and pretty much got to do all that work just to get the lip off. So you have 2 screws on each side, which I'm gonna go ahead and loosen right now. So I got the lip up here right now. First thing I'm gonna wanna do is basically just clean all the dirt off. I'm gonna take all the old stripping off. And in most cases, I know a lot of people, they like to sand it down, but I'm not really gonna do all of that. So here is the new molding. This is the part number here for you guys. You can order this through Honda, or you can go, I usually use Honda Parts Direct because they're local. It does come in black or gray. And because my bumper is white, I just chose gray just so it blends better. Putting on the molding, so I'm pulling the adhesive backing down and I'm pushing down on the lip for the molding, so that way as I'm pushing down, it's gonna stay flat. Because if you don't, it might actually stick up, and that's probably what happened on the corner there when I rushed last time. So take your time with this, guys. This is a really important step, is to lay this foundation down for the actual molding. Because if you do end up rushing it, it ends up looking like crap, and yeah, you don't wanna rush this, so. So here is not the finished product yet. I just got done laying the molding down, and all across looks excellent. No wrinkles except for maybe here, but it should even out when I hit it with the heat gun. Basically, you want to just apply pressure while heating it up, just like with any adhesive stuff. It helps bond the adhesive to the surface, so that way it sticks better and you're not fighting it when you go to put on the lip or side skirt or whatever it is you guys are doing. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here. Put the lip back on. No issues, no binding of the stripping. As you can see, we are not bunching up in the corners and everything looks solid, straight, strong.
Pause.
Went ahead and put some double-sided tape on the inside. You guys didn't see that, and bolted it in from the bottom. What do you guys think? You guys like the rear lips? Do you like no lip? Let me know what you guys think down below. All right guys, well that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to install the moldings. If you guys have any questions or you're confused about anything, just hit me up in the comment section below. I would be glad to help you guys out. It's really a simple process. Not a lot of people have the patience to do it. Very meticulous, and just take your time with it. As you can see, we knocked this out in like 15-20 minutes and just hit it with the heat gun, and it came out amazing. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'm almost at 3K. I know 3K doesn't seem like a lot, but it does to me. And from where I was last year at around like, I don't know, a couple hundred subscribers, the channel is definitely growing. And I know a lot of you guys are tuned in and are participating and just being involved in my channel. So I just want to say thank you guys. I really appreciate all your support. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.